Hey guys, welcome back to New England Fire Cooking. I'm Aaron Higgins, and today what I have is a little care package from my brother. He was supposed to be with me on this video explaining what's going on here, but unfortunately he wasn't able to make it. There was a scheduling conflict and blah, blah, blah. I don't know exactly what he did to season this, but what I can tell you is that he used some Italian seasoning, some herbs, some salt, pepper, garlic, probably some basil and oregano if I were to guess, and that's what it smells like to me anyway. But what this is this is a porchetta. Essentially, it's a big slab of bacon with the skin on. What he did was he seasoned the meat side and he cross-cut the skin side. And the cross-cuts are to allow fat to be able to render out of this pork belly. So this thing's trussed right here. It's gonna hold together, just to hold it together and whatnot. And there's not too much to say about this because I'm not seasoning it. I'm gonna get the camera over here so I'll let you guys check it out a little bit. It looks to me like it's some Italian seasonings and whatnot. We already got the Traeger fired up. We're cooking over hickory and cherry pellets. We're running right at 275. Let you guys take a quick look at this thing and then I'll see you down at the grill.
As you can see, it's been seasoned, cross-cut, and trussed. And to me, that looks like some kind of Italian seasoning. Smells amazing. This is a big one too. It'll shrink up on us a little bit. A lot of this fat's gonna render out, but I cannot wait to give this a try. This is gonna be really good, guys.
Okay, so the Traeger's right at 275. It's right where we want it. As always, before we do this, quick dose of cooking spray. I'm gonna set this porchetta right in center mass. Let some smoke do some work to this bad boy and check in an hour or two.
Well guys, this porchetta is starting to look real good. It's really, really nice. Some juice coming out of this bad boy too. Oh yeah.
We're gonna let it keep rolling. Let this color build up a little bit more. Then we're gonna glaze. Okay, you guys, so I sent my brother a message. And I sent him a picture of this porchetta right now. And he told me now is the perfect time to start glazing. He said this is the perfect color. Start throwing some glaze on here. So what I have right here, first and foremost, I'm gonna come over with, I got about a stick of melted butter in this mug here. And I'm just gonna give it a good solid brush. The next thing I'm going to use is this Captain Rodney's Cookin glaze. It's got some Scotch bonnet pepper in there, some sweet pepper made with real cane sugar. He said to brush this on and just give it a nice shiny glaze to it. Okay, we're gonna let this roll. We're gonna let this glaze go to work. Okay guys, this porchetta is looking absolutely amazing. We're about ready to pull this thing off. Get it sliced up, give it a try. Okay guys, here we are. We pulled this bad boy out and we let it rest. And doesn't that look like the most beautiful piece of pork you've ever seen in your life? It's time to get these trusses cut. Get this bad boy sliced. And will you look at that? That is just some beautiful pork right there. Absolute glorious, glorious pork. guys, before I dive headlong into this, let's do a quick run through as how this came together. My brother, you can check him out at jhig21 on Instagram. He gave me this porchetta that I already seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, chili flakes, a little bit of lime zest, a little bit of orange zest, and some basil and oregano. And now I am about to dive right into this here and see what this is all about. It's coming right apart. It looks juicy. Guys, this is a beautiful piece of pork belly. Wrapped right up into a log. Perfectly seasoned. The glaze is where it's at too. Damn. There's almost no chewing to this. It's so tender. It's utterly ridiculous. I'm going to get a little bit of this right from the top. I got to try this. Money meat right here. That's what this is. Money meat. The fat in this is just gelatinous. This is a glorious piece of pork, you guys. You like roast pork? This is a home run. Any day of the week, this is a home run. I'm gonna come over here to the end, get one of these burnt ends off of here. That looks really good too. Look at that. It almost looks like an Italian seasoned pork belly burnt end, really. That's awesome. That end's got some crunch to it. Let's see a little bit more off of there. Awesome looking smoke ring. Perfect flavor. Hey, I'll hand it to him. Might be my new favorite way to cook pork belly. I still love burnt ends, but man, this is good. So, you're sitting behind the camera. You just told me that this is a pork belly wrapped around a pork loin. So you get that fat from the pork belly going right into your lean piece of pork. That's beautiful. That's genius. Totally new pork delivery system that I've experienced. And I'm real happy with it. I could eat this every day. It's not advisable, but I'd do it. Oh, glaze is great. Guys, listen, if you like what you see here, you like what we're doing on this channel, give us a subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. Leave us your comments in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you next time.